Hey everyone, this is Brandy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be creating a layout for the Rediscover Your Stash Facebook group. The November product focus is flowers and foliage. So today I'm pulling out my newest Hip Kit Club kit, and I'm going to be using all of the beautiful leaves from that kit. Now, this isn't necessarily old stash. Actually, it's brand new stash. It's the newest stuff that I have, and I really love it. And it's pretty much the only fall foliage stuff that I have at all. So this is what I'm using. It is in my stash now, and it does need to be used up. So this is what we're focusing on today. I wanted to take every opportunity to add all of the leaves that I could to this page, so I'm starting with a stencil from the color kit, and I paired it with Pink Fresh Studio ink in Marigold is the color. Now I'm just going to rough up the edges of a few of the branding strips from the cardstock kit this month. And I've also grabbed a scrap that I had left over from a previous layout. Here I'm just going to remove some of the thickness off of the back of these chipboard frames. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about today's process or the products that I've used, please leave me a comment. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. I would really appreciate it, as my channel is brand new and I'm just getting started, so I could use all the help that I can get. Thanks again, guys. I hope you have a lovely, crafty day. Bye-bye.